Okay, there was supposed to be a video. Obviously, hindi nag-play. Okay lang, the show must go on. Okay? Alright, my name is Jovi Agudo. I'm a call center training manager. Okay, so I say good morning again. There you go. Okay, now, what am I here for? Ang i-share ko po ay tungkol sa mga nakuha ko sa call center in working there for 16 years. Yes, 16 years in a call center. Alam niyo naman kung paano sa call center, baliktad ng mundo natin, di ba? Umaga namin, gabi ninyo, right? And vice versa. So, by doing this, marami rin akong nahakot. Sabi nila, malaki ang bayad, ang sweldo sa call center, correct? Pero ang tindi din na stress level. So, ano nangyayari pag stress ka? I'm sure you know what, I think you have seminars about this. Pag stress ka, marami kang nagiging sakit. And one of them is, in a span of how many years, napansin ko, kasi pag ikaw nasa call center, ang sinasabi nila, para makabawi ka sa kulang sa tulog, kain ka ng kain. So, tumaba ako na sobra, but the funny thing was, yung tiyan ko masyadong lumalaki, which was unusual. Yung pala, okay, I had myoma. Now, yung myoma ko, hindi lang not one, but two. So, nagkaroon po ako ng I went through total hysterectomy. Sabi naman ng OB-GYN ko, wala naman akong balak mag-anak eh. So, tinanggal na lahat. Ovaries, matres ko, lahat tinanggal. Now, aside from that, okay, I had myoma, total hysterectomy. I also developed something out of walking 2 to 3 hours on end every day. Pag nagtitrain ka kasi ganun eh. Lakad ka ng lakad. So, ano nangyari sa akin, nagkaroon ako na osteoarthritis, lumbar spondylosis. That means, sumakit yung likod ko, I couldn't stand up straight anymore. Nagkaroon din ako ng torn meniscus. Ibig sabihin yung tuhod ko, alam niyo yung litit sa tuhod? Napunit po yun. Sa kakalakad everyday. 16 years pa naman eh. Diba? So hindi na ako nakakalakad ng ganito. I was walking with a cane. May tungkod na po ako. Hindi na ako nakaka-commute mag-isa. Hindi na ako nakaka-drive na maayos. Ganon po ang nakuha ko sa call center. Aside from that, si Pacquiao ako eh. Meron akong hypertension, high cholesterol, recurring yung UTI ko, and I was pre-diabetic. So, kakabalik ng balik ko sa doktor, sabi ng doktor sa akin, I think there's really something wrong with you, patest na natin yung dugo mo. Bina-check ko, ang sabi sa akin, meron daw akong lupus. Sino may alam kung ano yung lupus? Okay, lupus is a kidney disease that unfortunately one of our presidents died of. So it was a very damaging kidney disease. Siyempre, na-devastate ako. But I did not give up. I went on to see another doctor, mismo sa NKTI, National Kidney Institute. Same thing, sinabi sa akin, may lupus po kayo. Hindi pa rin ako nag-give up. Finally, I found a doctor, a third doctor, told me, okay, ito gawin natin para ma-rule out na natin yan. Mag-kidney biopsy ka. Alam niyo yung kidney biopsy? Kukuha sila ng laman sa kidney mo. Paano ginagawa yun? Tinusok po yung likod ko. Kumuha ng laman 2 beses. Naramdaman ko po yun, masakit. Masakit. Pero, that was the time that they found out hindi pala lupus. IgA nephropathy. Sumaya akong konti, hindi lupus. It's still a kidney disease. It's still a lifetime kidney disease. Something that I acquired from how many years I worked in a call center. Now, what happens if you have IgA nephropathy? Hindi na ho niya nasasala na mabuti ang ini-intake nyo, pati yung iniinom nyo tubig. Nare-retain na. Ano nangyayari? Namamaga, minamanas ako. So imagine niyo yung itsura ko. May tungkod na, nakayuko na, masakit na yung likod kasi hindi makatayo masyado. Ang tuhod, masakit na mamaga pa. Now, that is what happened. happens. Pag hindi na-address ang IgA nephropathy, dialysis. Okay, so yun pa ang nangyari sa akin. Now, what did I do? After which, nung nalaman ko po yun, I was taking 4 types of maintenance medicine, check-up every 3 months. I had to go to a strict diet kasi meron akong mataas na creatinine. Sisimplihan ko na lang. Anong creatinine? Pag mataas ang creatinine nyo, ibig sabihin, hindi nagfa-function normally ang kidney nyo. So, kailangan kong pababain yun, and that is by doing a strict diet. Limited mobility, ibig sabihin, hindi na nga po ako makagalaw. Wala nang out of town, nakatungkod ka eh. So, what did I do? I called on my upline right now, Miss Melanie Ramirez, alright, who invited me to AIM Global and said, you gave me supplements before I'd like to try again, okay? So, I'd like to thank her. I'd like to also to say hi to my other uplines, Jess, Tess, and Abdi. Now, what did I do here? I joined AIM Global right away, just like any other. Okay, very dependable si Apmels. What she did was, pina-cardio pulse niya kaagad ako. Wednesday yun. So, nandun din si Doc Butch. Pinagpa-consult ako. Sabi ni Doc Butch sa akin, kaya nahihirapan yung kidney mo, saan katutak ang iniinom mong gamot? Imagine people, in 1 month, I spend 8,000 pesos just on medication alone. So what did I do? I went to Doc Butch and he suggested I take Coledus for my cholesterol, Restore Life, C24, and Vita. Yan po ang dosage, religiously. Iniinom ko yan, religiously. So, what did I do? I took it religiously. Nakaramdam ako ng relief. Hindi na ako nagpa-check up kasi nakakalakad na ako ng straight. Wala na akong obviously, wala na akong tungkod. I lost weight. And guess what? I have here a... There you go. That was my lab test for creatinine. That was 2 years ago. Just like any other Filipino, pag nakaramdam ng ginhawa, di ba? Hindi ka na magpapacheck up. Tinawagan ako 2 weeks ago. Ang sabi sa akin na upline ko, Miss Jovi, kailangan po ninyong mag-share. Naku, kailangan ko magpa-lab test. Natakot ako. So, this was just 2 weeks ago. Normal na po yung creatinine ko. So, long story short, all these AIM Global supplements that they gave me worked. I can work more than, not just 16 years, another 16 years is no problem for me now. And I would like to thank the BOD of AIM Global. Thank you very much. You're brilliant. Okay? Not just brilliant, your service is great. And of course, before I end all this, there is only one Creator, and I would like to thank the Creator. To God be the glory. Thank you all. I love you, AIM Global.